Celtic quilt patterns offer a captivating blend of ancient artistry and modern craftsmanship. These intricate designs, rooted in the rich cultural heritage of the British Isles, bring a touch of mystery and elegance to the world of quilting. Originating from the complex knotwork and spirals found in early medieval art, Celtic patterns have fascinated people for centuries. When applied to quilting, these designs challenge quilters' skills while connecting them to a legacy of legendary craftsmanship. Let's explore some of the most appealing free Celtic quilt patterns available. The Celtic Twist Block, inspired by a trip to Ireland, measures 12 inches square and is suitable for confident beginners. It beautifully captures the essence of Celtic culture in fabric form. For those seeking a more advanced challenge, the Celtic Knot Quilt Block employs a paper-backed fusible web applique technique. This 12-inch block demands precision and attention to detail, resulting in a sophisticated piece that showcases the intricate beauty of Celtic knotwork. The Easy Celtic Twist Quilt Block tutorial offers a simpler approach with step-by-step instructions and photos. The finished block measures 17 inches, making it a substantial and impressive addition to any quilt. For those looking to create a full quilt, the Irish Folk Quilt Pattern measures 87 inches square. It combines 25 patch blocks with Celtic knot block panels, creating a rhythmic design that embodies Irish artistry. The modern Celtic quilt pattern offers a contemporary twist on traditional designs. This wall quilt, measuring 31.5 inches square, uses dramatic fabrics to achieve a complex appearance with relatively simple piecing techniques. For a larger project, the Celtic Cobblestones quilt pattern creates a stunning 90 by 114-inch quilt. This challenging pattern translates the mesmerizing scrollwork and knot patterns of Celtic tradition into a heritage-rich masterpiece. These patterns range from beginner-friendly blocks to advanced full quilt designs, offering options for quilters of all skill levels. Whether you're drawn to the symbolism of Celtic art, the challenge of intricate designs, or simply the beauty of these timeless patterns, Celtic quilt patterns provide a unique way to celebrate a culture renowned for its artistic achievements. From table runners to bed-sized quilts, these Celtic-inspired designs allow quilters to create pieces that are not just visually stunning, but also rich in cultural significance and personal meaning. Each stitch connects the quilter to centuries of artistic tradition, resulting in quilts that are truly one-of-a-kind treasures. Want to discover more Celtic quilt patterns and weave your own tapestry of quilting magic? Visit ilovequiltingforever.com for a collection of enchanting designs.